Hello, this is Julia from Feiyue Laser. Welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce our product FY4050, the metal fiberlaser cutting machine for you. For the model, our cutting size of x-axis is 40 cm and the y-axis is 50 cm. Inside the section belt, we use the linear guide. It is Taiwan THK, a top brand of the world. For the z-axis, we also use the top brand. And for the x and the y-axis is the linear guide. For the linear and the servo motor, for the linear and servo motor,
不要总是笑场，没关系，你刚才都漏了一些。
我看到你在笑，我就想笑。
好。
Have high precision, high stable, and durable performance. The excellent performance guarantee that the high-speed operation and high acceleration. For the linear and servo motor, have outstanding ability that the cutting speed is 2 times faster than the school platform. And we use the most important component that supports the linear guide and servo motor is the marble table. We also use the marble table is a top brand of Shandong TP. The marble table can maintain the cutting machine's accuracy, and it is very stable. We use the Shandong TP is a professional manufacturer in making marble tables. Okay, let's talk about the machine's body. It is used a closed cover, and the main color of the machine is the red and white. It is.
我都真是想笑了，现在就。
It uses similar welding and body bending technology. The more scientific technology and high strength of frame structure, which increase the high strength body that prevents the distortion during for long time work. Now please see at the computer monitor. Our CNC system uses a dedicated laser control system and a night contact heat tracking system. And it is which make it more sensitive and accurate. And it is not affected by the shape of the workpiece and can handle the join easily. And we also use a professional CAM. It will be more accuracy and operation and easy to operation. Under the monitor, there are 7 switches. This is the power switch. This one is the urgent switch. This one is the power switch. This one is the water cooling system switch. This one is the servo system switch. This one is the laser source switch. This one is the lighting system switch. This one is the computer switch. And this is our USB interface. You can import the files by using the USB. And this one is connected with the mouse, and this is the keyboard. This is our control board. Okay, let's talk about the laser cutting head. It is integrated the body design, and the water dustproof is IP65. It is flexible adjustment scale. flexible adjustment scale, unify zero focus position. And please see here, we can take out the lens, out from the laser cutting head and to clean the lens to make the process more better. Besides the laser cutting head, there is our Ccd camera, and this is our optional function according to the customer's requirements. Besides the laser cutting head, there are our induction adjuster, and it is used for adjusting the distance of the workpiece and the laser cutting head. And this one is and these tubes are used for 那个辅助气体怎么说 ？auxiliary airs, and this one is the air system to use the auxiliary air.
Oxygen, nitrogen.
Like air, oxygen, nitrogen.
The top one is the yellow tube, connected with the laser source.
And this one, it is supplied by the air compressor and or the oxygen tank or nitrogen tank. And this top one is a laser source. It is the most important part. And two is the water cooling system. One is for cooling inlet water, and another one is for cooling outlet water. They are connecting with the water chiller. Please see here. It is our water chiller. It is a water supplying device that built-in automatic
Circulation.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is a high quality, high efficiency considered made of pipe. It has characteristics of height dispersion, high
efficiency,
energy saving, and small volume, and
long life, high reliability.
There is our laser source, and we also use the top brand. It's the Max. It is from Shenzhen, and we can also use another top laser source like the IPG records, and the laser source is from 100,000 to 3,000 according to the customer's requirements. And it is electro-optical conversion.
Efficiency.
这是那一段长的。High stable optical quality, strong stress resisting capacity that ensure more stable cutting. After introducing the main components of the laser cutting, let's talk about the laser cutting, how to operate. And the maximum cutting speed can reach 30 meters per minute, and the maximum acceleration is 20. The minimum cutting seam width is 0.05 millimeter. The cutting accuracy is plus or minus 0.05015 millimeter. The working voltage is 110 or 220 volts, and each is 50 Hz or 60 Hz. Next, we want to talk about the laser cutting material. We can also cut in the metal material like the spring steel, carbon steel, galvanized steel, gold, silver, and titanium. And for the reflection material like the gold, silver, or carbon or brass, we also use high laser power laser source or the QCW laser source to do the cutting processing. Now it is the end of the video. If you are interested in our products, please contact us. Our contact information at the bottom of the video. This is Julia from Feiyue Laser. See you. Bye.